So this is how those thin slices of cheese are cut. The taste for white or brown eggs in your country or color doesn't matter. I can see them working hard to make delicious and hygienic rice cakes. I think it's really great. Please leave us the first comment. Since it's a small business, I thought it would be hard, but the process is very hygienic, so I will buy it safely. It's funny that the snack is actually cleaner, and its production environment is clean. But why put rice cake on top after it's cooked? Can you explain the reason to me? I wish I could eat spicy food more often. It's so fun. I will make and eat it. How sticky it is. You look right at it, and you can't look away. Great squid. It's wonderful to see how rich the sea brings us. It's amazing how the blue claw crab turns into a Dungeness crab like magic. Cutting potatoes and vegetables. Do you want to save cooking time? Do you want delicious potatoes without the hassle of peeling them? We will guide you the next way. Just go to the convenience store and choose trays of pre-peeled potatoes. Compact, convenient design, and diverse functions. This is the most worthy machine for any modern family. You won't believe your eyes when you see the ability of this machine to puree meat. Forget about traditional meat grinders. Have you ever wondered how to build a beautiful and sustainable house? Let's explore and apply to create your perfect living space. Products and applications, including heavy and hard-to-move items like meat, poultry, fruits, or vegetables. Ultra takes advantage of a simple drive system, proven with reliable mechanical parts, energy saving, and a sealed, hygienic design that is easy to clean. This simple design eliminates the need for covers and tensioning straps, providing improved maintenance through quick installation and removal. The rotating Eco KS7 vegetable and salad dryer really looks like a washing machine, doesn't it? Do you need to produce limoncello and need lemon peels? This peel stripper is for you. If you are craving fried chicken, this video is for you. Labor challenges affecting your efficiency? Overcome production challenges easily with robotic technology and soft gripper tools. Multivac UK recently introduced the new high-speed dual-product portioning machine, RS920 Flex. If you find this sandwich unsatisfying, comment with a 0. Addressing labor shortage issues with reliable and efficient robotic automation solutions. Use these 3 machines to easily assemble up to 60 round sandwiches per hour with just one person. This is a cost-effective solution for round sandwich production with minimal manpower. An ideal solution for heat sealing